Blech. Yes, I know, I'm eating, kind of. So this is my eggs and pork links. But I'm just gonna put that to the side for a second, because what I'm about to show you guys is freaking awesome, at least for me, you know. So this is my first ever Evangelion model kit. It is the Model 2, piloted by, I believe her name is Asuka Soryu Langley. I think that's how you say her name. Without further ado, this is the unboxing part of the video. So I already took the liberty of unwrapping the box because, like I said, I do not like ASMR. And yeah, so let's get started. So you get the good old trusty manual right there. It's a pretty thick one. And then I'm gonna put this box away because we're gonna start counting. So you get 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 21, 23, 25, and sticker style decals. I was right, it is 25. Woo! So through the power of editing, I'm gonna build this kit. It's probably gonna take me about 9-10 weeks or something, and then it will only take you guys a couple of seconds, then it will just magically appear as built. Alright, so be right back in a couple of seconds. Peace.
So just to cut the video here for a second, I just wanted to show the size of some of the parts of this kit. I have small dainty hands because I'm Asian, but just to give context of how small the some of the parts on these kits are, here's one of the smallest. I lost this. Oh, I lost this part here, and it took me 15 minutes to look for it because I got carpet in my hobby room. But look how small. Look how small it is. That's gonna be what you're gonna be dealing with when you're building this kit. Very small parts. I'm not saying that that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's a good thing, in my opinion, just because you can, I guess you can show color separation on your kit if with all these little parts on it. But yeah, so that's what you're gonna be dealing with. Very small parts on this kit. Alright, I'll be back.
I am finally done with this kit. This kit comes with a cable. If you ever do watch the anime, you'll notice that they're always attached to a cable and a power source, and this is what that is. Unfortunately, the kit doesn't come with the dock to imitate that scene in the anime. The kit comes with 2 guns, as you can see, and a whole bunch of melee weapons like these little daggers and knives right here. If I could center my hands right there. Also, it comes with this weird folded knives right here. I don't know why it's folded, but it's folded. So yeah. What else did it come with? It comes with a whole bunch of hands, which is pretty awesome. So you can do a whole bunch of expressive freaking hand gestures on the kit. You even get the good old Marine Corps knife hand right there. For those of you that were in the Marines, you know, if you don't want to get judo chopped. Oh, that takes me back. But yeah, look, I'm still pulling up all the hands that you could possibly have with the kit. Look, it's crazy how many hands you get on this thing. You can do, like, you know, it's a pretty good idea. I might do a custom of this kit to where I could maybe make him look like that villain in My Hero Academia. I can't remember his name. I think Ikaragi, I don't know. Somebody correct me. That's all that comes with the kit. A whole bunch of hands, cable attachment, and some melee weapons, and the 2 guns. So everybody know that my channel is not really, if you ever do keep track of this channel, what I upload, you're gonna notice that it's not very beginner friendly. I'm sorry. I'm just not, that's not my cup of tea when it comes to making videos. You know, I just like painting and building kits. I'm not really into, oh, this is gonna look, it's very articulate. Oh, look at this, look at the colors, it's awesome. Look at all the seam lines and stuff. Look at all the friggin' nub marks you can leave. No. Your dick. Because I could always paint my kits, and I could always fix those parts of the kit when it comes to seam lines and nub marks that you leave on the kit. So I'm not even gonna go over it. So what this video is gonna be is just me admiring the kit. Sorry guys, I'm just not. No, I'm not. No reviews. But what I will help you guys out will be how it is gonna be when it comes to painting. If you were just to paint this kit like in the most possible basic way, just the most possible basic customizing of the kit, which is painting and panel lining, any RG kits are perfect for that. It's a good practice. The reason I say that is because it's got, real great kits got a lot of parts on them, so it's easy to show part separation on them. The head alone by itself had like freaking, I want to say at least 20 parts, so you can show a whole bunch of part separation on this thing. That green eye right there, that's not a sticker, that's a freaking plastic part right there. To me, real great kits has a ton of details on them, to the point to where if you just want to practice your painting, they are perfect. When I say practice your painting, it's more like your color theory, I guess that's the proper Gunpla scientist term that you could do. If you want to show part separation on your kits, any real great kit, pick it up. It's gonna be awesome because they got a ton of parts, and this is our primary example to that. And also, if you don't want to build Gunpla, this is not a Gunpla, I guess. This is an Evangelion kit. So there you go. If you have a disdain towards Gunpla, build this one instead. Really quick here, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm talking about here when it comes to like a lot of parts. Like, look at this. Part separation. This side part right here, that's 2 parts right there. So you can do like freaking different color on the back and then different color here, and then you can have the inner frame right there, color that with a different color. It's, you know, you can, the possibilities are endless. The freaking shoulder, look at that. You got like 4 or 5 parts right there that you can show off part separation. The guns, look at this, it transforms, by the way, I never went over that. Look at that, boom, it folds. Yeah, there's a lot of possibilities with this kit. If you're just into just doing a basic panel lining and painting, you know, real great kits are perfect. That's all I really want to talk about when it comes to this kit, besides it being awesome. To me, the best kind of kits are the ones where you can do part separation without really doing anything to them, and like I said, real grade kits are perfect for that. High grade kits requires a lot more work because it's so plain. So for anybody that wants to really work on their customization skills, you know, pick up a high grade kit. Nowadays, a freaking master grade kit has so many freaking details on them that you could just paint it too. Real grade, perfect practice for customizing your kits. This is my opinion. I'm done admiring the kit and talking about it. Buy this kit. This is a very good real grade kit. It's not like the early kinds of real grades where it's like it breaks down on you because it comes with an inner frame, aka the RG Sinanju. That thing can't stand. Probably gonna build more Evangelion kits because there's like a whole bunch of them already. Even though the difference would just be the head and some weapons and stuff. I'm just on build mode again, so I'm probably gonna do another freaking kit admire. I think I'm just gonna call it admiring kits instead of like reviewing kits. That's a lot of work. Oh, this is articulation. You can do this, you can do that. The colors are great. You know, I'm not really like the certain kind of color. No, that's not me. I paint my kits. I don't really care for that.
You are such a dick.
That's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. Bye.